Hello my lovelies, welcome back to another amazing video. Today we're going to be trying out the Cuisinart Bread Maker and making our very first loaf with sunflower seeds. So let's begin. So let me present you with the Cuisinart Compact Automatic Bread Maker. It's a compact machine that provides full-size results where you can make homemade bread on a daily, and it has 12 pre-programmed options and 3 light to dark crust shade settings. We see here that it has a counter-friendly design, it is a quick cleanup, and also it's a more healthier version of bread compared to the store-bought ones because we use real ingredients. And according to the brand, it comes with a 3-year warranty. The Bread Maker comes with a quick reference guide, which is basically some very simple instructions that we need to know before operating, during the operation, and also afterwards when it's time for cleanup. On the back side of the booklet, we're going to find some Q&A, questions and answers, just general questions about the machine itself, and also about the bread, why this or that might happen, and what are some quick solutions. So it also comes with the instruction booklet, and it's just going to give you all the important information in a more detailed sense than the quick reference. And on the back side of this, we're going to have the recipe booklet. So it's recipe booklet and also instruction booklet. And finally, we have here the recipe booklet. It comes loaded with sweet and also savory bread recipes, and also it gives us tips and tricks so that our breads can always be made to perfection. And as an added bonus, the Cuisinart Bread Maker also knows how to make different types of doughs. So you could make sourdough bread, you could also make French baguette, or even pizza dough. And it knows how to make jams. So today we're going to try out the Nutty Whole Wheat Bread recipe. So I'm going to go gather all of these ingredients and we're going to begin. So we have here 1 cup of low-fat buttermilk. We have half a teaspoon of kosher salt. We have 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. We have 1 tablespoon of pure maple syrup, 1.5 cups of whole wheat flour, 3/4 cups of unbleached all-purpose flour, and we're going to use 2 teaspoons of yeast. So we're going to start by opening up the lid, and now we're going to add the bread pan into the baking chamber. Now, as you can see here with these markings, counterclockwise is to unlock the pan, and clockwise it is to lock it into the baking chamber. So we're going to turn it to the right, clockwise, to lock it in place. Next, we're going to insert the paddle that the bread maker comes with, making sure it's nice and secure. And now we are all set to start adding our ingredients. We are going to add the ingredients in one by one in the exact same order that I mentioned earlier. Now this is something that while I was reading the booklet, it was stressed many times that it has to be in the exact same order. Okay, so now we're just going to close the lid and we're going to program her. So we are going to program her to option number 3, which is whole wheat. And then we're going to choose the color, which is dark. And last but not least, the size. Now the size is going to be 1 pound. I finished by pressing the start button and there she goes. So that means it is ready for the add-in. As you can see there, it's flashing. I'm going to open the lid now. Look at her, so beautiful. And I'm going to add my 1/2 cup of sunflower seeds. There we go. And put her back. So she just gave me the sound to remove the paddle. If you want to remove the paddle at this point, you can do it. But if you want to keep it in, you could also do that. It won't affect anything in its baking. And she is ready. We just missed her tone. She rings when she's ready. And now we are at the keep warm option. So we're gonna turn her off. And we're gonna see how she looks. We are going to open her up. Look at that. Now, just to let you know, I made a 1 pound loaf to try, but she can go up to 2 pounds. So she does 1 pound, 1.5, and 2 pounds. Obviously the 2 pounds is gonna be, it would overflow a little bit. It'll have like a little muffin top. We're gonna twist her counterclockwise to unlock. I'm using my, first I'm gonna use my handy dandy hook. Okay. We're gonna twist counterclockwise. We unlock, and here we go. Now, we're gonna put her on a plate. Well, we should use a rack, but I don't have a rack, so I'm gonna have to use a plate. And my loaf. Now you're wondering why that hole exists, and it's because I did not take the paddle. Remember that the paddle is an option whether you want to take it out or not. Today I left it in for the first time, and this is the result that you're gonna get. If you take it out when the machine tells you to, then you won't have this little hole, okay? So now I'm gonna flip her over. This is a 1 pound loaf. And I'm going to let her cool for around 30 minutes so that we'll be able to cut through nicely. So now that 30 minutes have passed, we are going to cut the loaf. Nice and crunchy. Oh my goodness, look at this. Super fluffy. And now our taste tester is gonna try it out. Here we have our taste tester.
Hello guys, how are you?
So
I'm gonna be the first person that I'm gonna try this bread. I'm gonna cut a slide.
this is whole wheat sunflower bread. And what are you gonna have it with?
Now I'm gonna spread this cream
cheese?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see how is the taste with the cream cheese. I'm gonna leave half without the cream and another with the cream to see how it tastes.
Okay.
Let's see. Mmm. Really good.
It's really
good. Yeah.
It has a nice crunch to it.
Yeah, it's crunchy.
And
But this
you-
part is fluffy.
It's fluffy, okay.
And now I'm gonna try with the cheese, the cream. Oh my god, it's really good. I recommend it.
So we passed the test?
I give you 200.
Yay! So I want to thank everybody for watching this video today. We have our delicious bread. Keep on following us on Instagram and our YouTube channel for more recipes, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye!